This bus is like thinking it can spy on us. I'm gonna say, yeah, right. This bus is spying on the stupid power plug, right? Not only that, like, suckers always like try to pretend that they're going and turning right here at the same time as me. So yeah, you can suck it. I seen a little brat looking at me inside there. I don't know why the brat's looking at me inside there. But I'm assuming that after that shit, my shit disappeared, correct? So yeah, they're totally right. Yeah. What else? What else? Yeah, the bitch knows I'm going here and doing me and shit. It's weird. What you guys doing? Y'all fucking steal my shit? Did you steal my shit? I ain't lying. Like, did you steal my shit? You fucking shady bitch. You like fucking trying to get my way and shit. There's never any kids. Y'all doing some little bending busted shit. It looks like it. Anyways. Get with that death rap. Get with that death rap. What are you doing? Yeah, noise campaign. Noise campaign. Noise campaign. You ain't doing real shit, then get the fuck out my way. Nah, you ain't doing real shit, ho. Just trying to be a noise ho. So do you see this ho? It's a weird creepy bus, is it not? So you go in there and probably like fucking do sex trafficking anyways. Nah, doing a little nasty shit. It's called noise harassment. Who cares? We're gonna protect ourselves and shit. Don't waste my time too. A lot of nasty little engines rev and shit. Got a lot of videos to upload. Anyways, I guess keep it rolling because this bitch thinks she's gonna fucking spy on us. This bitch probably thinks she's gonna roll up right here, spy on us and shit. So these bitches know they can steal shit, doing little weird ass shit like that. Anyways, look at these fucking hoes. We'll be uploaded, but we're not fucking around. Oh, fucking ugly motherfuckers out and shit. I don't give a fuck about these ugly ass hoes and little fucking noises and shit. I'm press charges on those nasty bitches spying and shit. We're gonna say all these bitches do is spy, and then this shit starts disappearing. Scares you. All they do is spy. What do you expect? So fucking here's the noise and shit. Nah, keep going. Cause y'all been going for 10 years with your little nasty fake crap. Fucking spying all stupid. Nah, they would park right here and stare at us and shit. Trying to pretend like, oh, I just happened to be miraculously here to see you plug something in. And then they steal our shit. That's actually what this whole shit is. These bitches think that they can actually control our lives and shit and spy on us, and that's legal. You can see some Nazi shit. So no, they're here to fucking make noises. And for all we know, we don't actually really know if the asses are even like doing shit. But doesn't it look shady? Look shady and shit. Like I said, that bus ain't just here. That bus is here to spy on shit. What's this? These bitches acting like, oh, the frame I plugged that in, right? You just see some little bitch like fucking coming out over here. Some little bitch turning. Some little bitch trying to say, just got here. But actually, all their options are normally to go straight. Okay, there's a camera right there. Alright? You see all kinds of little nasty bitches all popping up whenever I'm here and shit. See all that nasty noise campaign shit? Well, we'll upload it right now. So that's it, I guess. We'll wait for me to stop and see how long it goes. But nah, it's noise campaign. It's noise campaign and it's always bitches looking in our direction. Okay? They don't have to be looking at us. They're looking at us no matter fucking what.